Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple line feature, how to split that line feature, and merge that line feature again. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing we need to do is create a new shapefile layer. We can either come up to the toolbar and click onto this icon, New Shapefile Layer, or we come up to Layer, Create Layer, New Shapefile Layer. Within this window, we give that shapefile layer a new name and a designation. You could do that by clicking onto this ellipse button. And I already have my designation here. I'm just going to call it line 3, just for demonstration purposes. Save. I'm going to keep this defaulted projection here. Geometry type, it's going to be a line. And we could also add new fields at this point, or you could do it later. New fields, for example, if you're going to do like a street segment, you could say like street name. You can include that here. So as you're drawing out that street, you could give it the proper name. I'm going to click OK. And to start editing, I'm going to click onto the toggle editing button. And now to the right of that, add line feature is now highlighted, meaning I'm able to now draw my line segment. So if I left click on my mouse, I can start my drawing session. If I click again with my left mouse button, it will stop and I could change direction now. So if I go down, left click, up, left click, down, left click. When I'm all done, I'll right click. Now I could give it an ID, or I could keep it as blank by just clicking OK. Okay, so here's a line segment. Now see if I want to split this in half. So what I could do, or what I need to do, is select the feature. And down here, you can see that it's one feature. Now I want to split right down here. So if I go up to Edit, if I could Edit and Split Feature, I'm going to left click outside of my line feature once, click onto my line feature by left clicking again, and then left click out again, and then right click when I'm done. So if I select this again, you see I have two features, one on either side. And let's do that again. Let's split it right here. So I need to, obviously I need to select my feature part. And when I edit, it's important to click outside of the line, on the line, and then outside the line again. So let's do that again. So left click outside of the line feature, left click on the line feature itself, left click again outside, and then right click when I'm done. So if I select the whole area here, I have 3. Okay, so say I want to merge all this. So I have it all selected, 3 features. I just come up to Edit, Merge Selected Features, and say OK. So now I have one feature again. So very quick and easy way to create a line feature, split it, and merge it. Hope you guys found this really useful. As always, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching.